Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to do more of a vlog style video. So I'm just going to be cleaning up the workshop, cleaning up the tables, and getting stuff into my truck and ready to take down to the storage unit. So if you guys would like to follow me along, that would be awesome. So let's get started. I got the workbench cleared off. I got the one workbench out. I'm gonna leave this one in here probably till close to moving day. And then I've got some wood out of here. I've got a bunch of other wood to deal with. All those totes, these totes here, I want to get them into my truck today and want to get them over to the storage unit. Probably leave the toolboxes here for now, just in case I need to fix anything. Mostly clearing out the stuff that's in totes, wood, and then we're kind of getting somewhere, getting things out of the way. So I brought you guys along on this journey for one reason. Got this screw press here that I'm super excited to use. Yeah, can't wait to use that. A couple weeks, I'll be in the new shop.